Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best 60% mechanical gaming keyboard, the Womir WK61. This compact powerhouse combines style, performance, and customization for gamers and enthusiasts. Let's get started. Product features: theme, style, design. The Womir WK61's theme design with a matte translucent bottom cover is a visual treat. When RGB is off, it has a clean, sleek look. Switch the RGB on, and the frosted wall diffuses vibrant lighting in every direction for a stunning effect. 2-in-1 plate and switch silicone pad. A standout feature is its dual-purpose silicone pad that works as both plate and switch padding. It reduces hollow typing noise, adds stability, and enhances comfort, making it a must-have for users who value smooth, quiet keystrokes. DIY customization. Love to personalize your gear? The WK61 includes 3 sublimation keycaps that you can swap to match your unique style. Whether you like bold, subtle, or playful designs, you can create a look that's truly yours with ease. Hot-swappable switches. This keyboard comes with hot-swappable red mechanical switches. No soldering needed to replace them. These quiet, linear switches are built for smooth typing and can handle up to 50 million presses for long-lasting performance. Wide compatibility. With its high-speed Type-C USB connection, the WK61 ensures stable data transfer. It's compatible with PCs, PS4, Xbox Series XS, and Xbox One, giving you a single keyboard for gaming and productivity across platforms. RGB backlighting and macro support. Customize your RGB with millions of color choices via Womir software. From subtle glows to dynamic rainbow effects, the lighting is yours to control. Plus, macro support lets you assign complex commands to a single key press. Pros: premium theme design with vibrant RGB effects, dual-purpose silicone pad for better sound and feel, hot-swappable switches for easy upgrades, wide compatibility with PC and consoles, full RGB and macro customization options. Cons: no wireless connectivity option. Compact 60% layout may take time to adjust to for new users. Final thoughts. The Womir WK61 is perfect for gamers, typists, and keyboard enthusiasts who want style, performance, and customization in one package. It's built to impress both visually and functionally, a true compact mechanical gem. Your next gaming upgrade is here. Check the price link in the description and see why the WK61 is winning hearts. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing tech finds every week.